Yep, looks like it's going to be a rainy start to this adventure. But we're here at Hickory Run State Park. Quick stop at the restroom. And we're going to go get checked in for our cabin. And we're going to spend a few days probably in the rain here at Hickory Run State Park. So stick around.
The trees and the streams, I find my peace. I'm not lost, I'm exploring, feeling alive with the wind in my hair and the sun in my eyes. I'm not lost, I'm exploring.
Inside the visitor center at Hickory Run. They probably have one of the most immersive displays of all of the state parks. Highly recommend checking it out. The girls actually love this very much. We spend quite a bit of time in here every time we visit Hickory Run State Park. They have some displays of the locks. They have displays that you can walk through, crawl through. As you guys can see, they have mushrooms, trees, little boxes of doors you can open up, little sight glasses that give you a view into some of the nature's perspective on some of the nature in the area. Hawk Falls, Boulder Field. They have a little display you can stand on for Boulder Field. It's really cool. You should check it out. Honey, I'm right here. Yeah. A flying squirrel. That... Hey, put that back. Yeah, what is that? First aid, right? Yeah. Need water bottle?
No. But we didn't break.
So this is pretty cool. If I get it to focus. Here you go. Go ahead. Is it on?
Yeah.
Video. Tell me what you see in there, okay?
Streams were greatly swollen. The rain was coming down in torrents. It was about 4 o'clock in the morning when Mother heard a faint rumbling sound.
Oh yeah? Probably turned it the wrong way. It did. Oh, here we go. I'll get the stuff. All right, here's our cabin for the night. We're just gonna pretend that there's not people standing over in this corner over here. These can giggle and say hi. Go ahead. Turn the light on in here. Check out the sleeping quarters. There's definitely nobody sneaking around behind me or in front of me giggling. All right, so it looks like it sleeps 5. It says DC2. I think it's called the Eastern Hemlock Cabin.
Hi. Today we're going to sleep here for 2 nights.
Here's the view out the back window from the cabin. And then right over there to the left is the fire pit area. And pretty muddy, so I'm sure we'll be slopping around in that mud back there. We'll see. So we're really excited. So we got to make this quick. So here's our little stove area. And then a microwave. Check out this cool little cup right here. Ain't that awesome? And a refrigerator over here. And that's about it for the tour. And here's the deck. And I'm sure we'll spend quite a bit of time out on the deck because it looks like it's going to rain most of the time we're here. So, okay, so we just got checked in the cabin and it is raining like crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tour. They're very excited, so I apologize ahead of time. They will be in a lot of the video. They will be in a lot of videos. So I got to bring the stuff in, so I'm going to put you down for a little bit and we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, go ahead, tell me about it.
So it is a smiley face, and I have 2 pepperoni eyes, a pepperoni nose, and a pepperoni smile.
Yeah, Nona's gonna throw that in the cast iron pan for you. Tell me about your pizza.
Mine is a smiley face.
I love it.
And this is the cheeks.
Yeah, I love it. Is this like the new favorite thing to do?
Yeah.
Climb up and down the bunks.
I want to do it forever.
So this is a shot of the day use area. There's a walking path that goes all the way around. Let me flip you guys around. So this is the day use area, just off of the beach from the lake here, Sand Springs Lake, not Hickory Run Lake. I learned that the last time I was here. So this is the walking area. Looks like they planted some fresh trees. It's a pretty nice little area though. They do have a disc golf area here. This nice walking path the girls are currently using it to use their scooters on, and it gives you a really pretty view of the lake. It's very nice here. I'm very much enjoying my trip here today. We'll be here for a couple days. We got a cabin and I'm loving it. You sure you don't want me to carry that for you? Okay, tell them so we're on our way. This is Sand Springs Lake here at Hickory Run State Park. This is beautiful, guys.
Just hiding some of these rocks for the grandkids. So one of the things we like to do is teach them how some things glow with black lights and stuff. So I actually think I showed you guys in one of the videos. We were out testing out the black lights and the red light, regular flashlight, etc. So what we did was paint up a few rocks with some of these different critters on, and now I'm just kind of hiding them around the campground for the girls to use their black lights to find. All right, so now that the rain settled down a little bit, do a little walk around the outside of the cabin. So as you can see, I got the fire lit. I ended up having to use a torch. The wood was that wet, but it's lit. It's the back of the building. It's kind of a little muddy back here, but it doesn't affect the pad. It's built up, so we don't notice it at all. These porches are great. And there's the view from the front of the cabin. So I think we're gonna chill out a little bit. Maybe make some popcorn, throw some marshmallows, and just enjoy the campfire. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Sounds like I'm getting company. What do you got, girls? What's that? So what color is that turn? Green. Pretty.
I don't need it. Do we? I get the light up more. Can I pick it up?
Yeah.
Mona says you can, I guess.
Bring them over and put them on the. Not let Leah get it because you got one. That's where I want you to put.
The spider went up. Down came the rain and locked the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
I'm sure this is probably incredibly blurry. So day one, pretty much in the books. Just got here getting set up, enjoying this cabin trip with my grandbabies. I love Hickory Run State Park. If you guys don't know already, I love the Lehigh Gorge, so this area is perfect for me. It's a lot of fun, pretty close to home. So I guess that's it. We're gonna turn it off for the night, turn the camera off for the night, enjoy the time with the grandbabies, and see you guys in the morning.